Hello and welcome to the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 29 seed Emmanuel Christian Academy from St. Andrew up against St. Aloysius Primary from Kingston. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Emmanuel Christian Academy won. They decided to have St. Aloysius Primary play first. So St. Aloysius Primary, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Who asked Pilate for Jesus' body after the crucifixion?
Mary.
That's incorrect. It's Joseph. Emmanuel Christian, Bible knowledge. Who recognized Jesus as the Messiah when he was presented at the temple as a baby?
Simeon.
Or Hannah, that's correct. St. Aloysius, science. Which teeth are primarily used to grind up food?
Molars.
That's right. Emmanuel Christian Academy, science for you. Which teeth are primarily used for crushing food?
Canine.
That's incorrect. It's premolars. St. Aloysius Jamaican Affairs team, it's a visual question. So look at the monitor and identify this person.
Fitz Jackson.
That's incorrect. It's the former Contractor General, Greg Christie. Emmanuel Christian, Jamaican Affairs, visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. He's the Managing Director of Jamaica Observer, Danville Walker. St. Aloysius, English language. Which tense is used in this sentence? His grandfather lived in St. Catherine.
Past tense.
That's right. Emmanuel Christian, English language. Which tense is used in this sentence? Jane will participate in the spelling bee next week.
Future tense.
Future tense.
That's correct. St. Aloysius, television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Michael.
That's incorrect. He's Anthony Mackie. Emmanuel Christian, television, a visual question as well. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Will Smith. No, John Brown.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. He's Derek Luke. St. Aloysius, general knowledge. In which European country is the city of Edinburgh located? Or Edinburgh?
London.
That's incorrect. It's Scotland. Emmanuel Christian, general knowledge. In which South American country is the city of Buenos Aires located?
Argentina.
That's right. St. Aloysius, social studies. In what year did Spanish Town become the capital of Jamaica?
1902.
That's incorrect. It's 1534. Emmanuel Christian, social studies. In what year did Jamaica become a member of the United Nations?
1962.
1962.
That's right. St. Aloysius, music. Which international artist released the hit single Bad Liar in 2017?
Chris Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Selena Gomez. Emmanuel Christian, music for you. Which international artist released the single Sign of the Times in 2017?
Harry Styles.
Harry Styles.
That's right. St. Aloysius, mathematics. What's the square root of 25 multiplied by the square root of 36?
30.
That's correct. Emmanuel, mathematics for you. What is 2 squared multiplied by 6 squared?
$144.
And that's correct. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with the score so far. St. Aloysius Primary on 3 points, Emmanuel Christian Academy on 6 points. Before we go, here's a friendly tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, make sure you inform your parents of after-school activities. Do not walk home alone late in the evening. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 continues after this.